Okay, guys, we have these things for you. Guys, look at what we bought 20 euro. What 20 euro can buy for you, especially when promo goes on. So I just gonna show you guys what I did as shopping when promo is going on. All these things I usually buy them 50 euro just because we are on promotion. Supermarkets are on promotion. That's why I got it 20 euros. So guys, you get to know the good of waiting to pick up your things during promotion period. That will help you to save a little money, or it will help you to buy double. Those things you can use 50 euros to buy, you notice that you buy it double times too. So I'm gonna briefly show you guys what I have here, what I managed getting. Everybody are jam packed at home eating, so now is the time we needed a lot of food. Yeah, that's why you get to look for where is more cheaper. Sometimes supermarkets will do promo, in order to appreciate their customers. Promo they do it to reduce the prices of the goods so that it can be affordable to us. So it's only when you pay attention to know when it's announced, that's when you're gonna be the luckiest person among others to make sure you grab it, so that you can use that 50 euro to grab like many things, double stuff. So that's it. So quick one, I'm gonna show you guys this both lemon or onion, lime. So these tomatoes, I usually buy this a big amount before, but lo and behold, if I tell you how much I bought this, you will not believe. So these are our tomatoes. So these are our bell pepper. Guys, this bell pepper I used to buy it only two 1 euro, but look at how many it is. It's now how many? It's six. This six is 1 euro, but I bought two 1 euro before. So that's good of waiting till the promotion period. I didn't say you shouldn't buy ordinary time, but you can double your money to make sure you pick it during promotion period. So this one is our bread. We buy all kinds of bread. So this one is our bread. I don't know their name, but we call this one baguette. This is French traditional bread. It comes in different types. So this one is bread as well. They come in different types. So this one is our green bean. So this green bean, when you did not see the fresh one, you can grab you can buy the tin one. So I've shown here on my live video on how to go about cooking that tin one. So but we're gonna still repeat to show you guys on how to cook the tin one. So this one is our rice. Sometimes if I don't want to, as in buy the if I don't want to buy the rice, as in if I don't want to use the rice I have in my bag, I used to buy this one. Tastes different from the one that comes from the bag. So that's why I manage cooking this one. So this one is my fruit. This fruit is called apricot. Apricot. So I manage picking it like this. So this one is our yogurt. We have yogurt, we have comfort here. So this one is I don't know what this is called, but I say let me give it a try. Many fruits are there, but it depends the one you like. So I manage grabbing it. So this one is our juice. So this one is our biscuit. So this one is our eggs. Guys, we still have all these things here, but you can't wait till you finish. So you can't wait till you finish. So that's why we don't allow it to finish. So whenever we is about to finish, we're gonna rush to grab grab to repressed. Why? Because when the one you buy during, especially when promotion is going on, the one you buy, that one as in can help you to buy in bulk, buy it main. So guys, read all my shopping for me. Let me know what you think. How did you go about shopping? Do you wait till the promotion season or promotion period, or do you prefer buying at any time you feel like? Not that we don't buy at any time we feel like, but we felt like when opportunity come for you, you're gonna grab it now. Even if you have all you have you have a lot of money. Yeah, when they give you cheaper something, won't you take? So that's why we appreciate the one we buy during promotion period. So let's keep them. Tana, tana. Let me know the supermarket you buy your stuff. Guys, let us know in the comment section. Let us know in the comment section. Tana, Tana, we are packing our stuffs. Here is the tray to put this on. Get me tray. So this one is another one that comes. This one is another one. This one is another one. So this one is cake. So all this one. Okay, guys, let's know what you think. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much. Let us know where you buy your stuffs and how you go. How much did you pick your stuffs in your area, especially when promo is going on? Let us know in the comment section. God bless. Bye bye.